अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। ये हमारा आज का दिस इज़ आवर सेकंड स्लाइड शो and in this slideshow also we are going to cover certain sales ledger accounts, and you are requested to kindly practice this as much as you can, and the more you practice the more you are going to become a master in this level. Okay, now we go to the slide, first slide. This is our first question. On April 1, 2014, Yee's sales ledger control account showed balances 20,450 debit balance and 600 as the credit balance. During April, following transactions took place. Credit sales were 50,500, cash sales were 10,000. Cash sales is not the part of the sales ledger control account. Sales returned from credit customers, that is okay. It's a part of the sales ledger. Receipts from credit ledgers, refunds to credit customers, okay. These are all the parts of the sales ledger control accounts. But cash sales is a part of the cash book. It should not be entered in the sales ledger control account. On 1st May 2014, Yee's sales ledger control account showed a credit balance of $180. This is also given, and debit balance to be determined. We'll work it out. The requirement is prepare a sales ledger control account on for April 2014. So we go to the next slide for the solution. The solution is given over here. Sales ledger control account is given. Debit balance as 1st April is 20,450, and the credit balance is given as $600. Okay, sales is 50,500. There is given a refund to the customers, that is 750, and sales return is 700. Bank this means that we have received some cash, 48,600 from our credit customers. Discounts were allowed for 1,200, and debit balance bad debts were WO means written off. Bad debt written off is 800. So, and you would see that on 30th April there is a credit balance of 180. So we have this sales ledger control account. This is also given, and we have worked out as the debit balance of 19,980. This is the credit balance. If we add up, and we'll get the balance amount. Now the second slide. The third slide. This is the question number 2. Following information is available for the books of Yana on August 2015. August 1st, it had a trade receivables balance as 27,520, and at the end of the month, the balances of the sales ledger are given below. Credit sales were 32,400. Receipts from credit customers. Cash sales is not to be added in the sales ledger control account. Discount allowed is okay. Bad debt written off. Sales return from credit customers, and interest charge from overdue accounts 600. These are all the accounts of the sales ledger control account except cash sales. This is a cash book account. This should be entered in cash book. Okay, what we are required to do is prepare sales ledger control account of this information. After preparing sales ledger control account, Yana discovered following errors in the sales ledger. First, goods sold to Tong, $560 were not recorded in the books. this has to be recorded. Sale of fixture and fittings, $800 were recorded as cash sales. This is wrong. Um, it is a credit sale, and it should be recorded not in the sales ledger. If the business is for sale of fixture and fittings, then it's okay. It shall be recorded in the sales and ledger accounts. But it might not be recorded, but this is a mistake. This has to be corrected. Discount allowed to R. Biggs, $56 is debited to his account and credited to discount allowed. Okay, and fourth mistake is goods sold to Maya. $75 is recorded in Mason's account. This has all to be reversed, and what we are required is name type of errors and make journal entries to correct the errors. So now we go to the solutions. This is the solution, and here it is sales ledger controller account given. It is solved. Over here, balance brought down is 27,520, sales is 32,000, interest charge is 600, and sales return is 1700. I mean, you can always make out what's happening. This is very easy. The figures are all given. You do not have to make any calculations. Only the balance has to be calculated, and that is 14,990. This is the debit balance of the sales ledger control account. All of the other balances are already given. Now we go to the next slide. The type of errors is omission. First is omission, second is principal, and third is reversal and commission. These are the type of errors, and we must go back and see whether this is correct or not. And now to the next slide, we have the journal entries to correct the errors. Here Tong made some sales. Tong account receivable $560, and sales are recorded as credit to $560, and the fixture and fittings are disposal, means the organization or whatever the accounts the owner is, it is not the main business of the owner, so the sales are recorded, but disposal account is used for recording fixed assets. $800. Okay, and discount allowed is 56. We have to double the account. One is to reverse and second is to record it. So 56 multiplied by 2, we get $112. So discount allowed is an expense, it's debited, and R. Biggs is account receivable or trade receivable, it's credited. And Maya account to be debited and Mason's account to be credited to correct the wrong entry into the Mason's account. This ends our slideshow, and you are requested to please subscribe to the slideshow and share it with your friends. Allah Hafiz, and thank you so much.